This is the HPN Signature Series heat press machine. The heat press that redefined the meaning of the word quality and raised the bar for heat press manufacturing in the industry. The performance and features on the Signature Series consistently exceed expectations in the heat transfer industry and have cemented them as the heat press of choice for thousands of businesses. Year after year, the Signature Series continues to be a bestseller at the #1 heat press retailer in the country, Heat Press Nation. We know that each and every business is unique. There's no such thing as the best heat press for everybody, only the best heat press for you. That's why Heat Press Nation has created an entire line of heat press machines with a variety of designs, features, and sizes that allows you to choose exactly what your business needs for success. There are several different designs that you'll find within the Signature Series line: clamshell, swing away, and multifunction. The clamshell models follow the industry standard sizes of 15 by 15, 16 by 20, and 16 by 24 inches. The swing away models are available in 12 by 15, 15 by 15, and 16 by 20 inches. Multifunction heat presses are available in 12 by 15 and 15 by 15 inches. The Signature Series line also includes label presses, cap presses, and mug and tumbler presses. The HPN Signature Series is jam-packed with features, starting with an advanced computer gauge that allows you to dial in the precise time and temperature for your transfers. On clamshell models, the gauge has a counter to keep track of every single press and displays both your set and present time and temperature values. The Signature Series is equipped with 2 different handles. The primary clamp-style handle locks into place when closed and provides consistent pressure onto your transfer. The secondary handle is especially helpful when applying heavy pressure and torque, as it provides extra leverage and ease when opening. This also helps to reduce operator fatigue on high-quantity runs. On the swing-away models, this secondary handle allows you to easily and safely move the heating element away from the lower platen, providing an open working space with easy access for placing garments and transfers. The Signature Series clamshell models provide an open working space using a different method. These heat presses feature a specialized lower platen that slides in and out of the heat press like a drawer when the machine is open. You'll also find a gas shock opening mechanism on the clamshell models. This feature provides significantly smoother and more predictable opening and closing actions compared to machines using springs. There's also an auto-open version of each Signature Series clamshell heat press. Auto-open will make your workflow so much more efficient by allowing you to prepare other materials while an item is being pressed, without the fear of burning your current item. By eliminating the need to manually open the machine, your physical effort is literally cut in half. You'll also find the Signature Series clamshell heat presses feature dual internal fuses. The purpose of an internal fuse is to protect your machine from an electrical surge that could damage its internal components. The Signature Series has a backup fuse built right in. When the time comes to replace your fuse, the built-in backup fuse is easily engaged, which ensures nearly zero downtime for your production. The Signature Series multifunction heat press is truly the most versatile design in the whole collection. This multifunction heat press comes standard with either a 12 by 15 inch or 15 by 15 inch standard platen. It also includes attachments to convert the machine into a cap press, mug press, or plate press. There are even attachments available for heat pressing flasks and shoes. To round out the Signature Series line of heat presses, we have cap and label heat presses, along with our mug and tumbler heat presses. These machines allow you to have a dedicated station for your specialty products, which expands your list of product offerings and increases the value of your business to your customers. Our cap press is a one-size-fits-most clamshell style machine, while the label press features a 6 by 8 inch pressing area that's perfect for pressing neck labels and other small projects. The auto-open cap press features an automatic opening mechanism similar to our larger clamshell style heat presses. Complemented by an oversized, upgraded heating element and 4 interchangeable lower platens, this cap press is truly a top contender in the market. The Signature Series line has a fully automatic mug press, which both applies and releases the pressure on your mug automatically. This means that there are 0 pressure adjustments or physical effort required to operate the machine. And last but certainly not least, we have our flagship mug press, the Signature Series Mug and Tumbler Press. With 7 different interchangeable attachments available, this machine is available as a standalone mug press or in 2-in-1, 4-in-1, and 7-in-1 combinations. This makes for one of the most versatile, consistent, and reliable mug heat presses available anywhere. When we say we want to give you a variety of heat press options, we really mean it. The HPN Signature Series is the quintessential heat press for any successful small business. And to reinforce that success, Heat Press Nation is backing you up with a 1-year My Expert warranty and free lifetime technical support. That means for the life of your Signature Series machine, you'll have the support of the leading heat press retailer in the nation. If you find yourself ever in need of assistance, our My Expert team will help you every step of the way. When you see the HPN Signature Series, it's clear why year after year, it continues to be a bestseller at the #1 heat press retailer in the country. Order yours today at heatpressnation.com.